Alright, so this morning we're in Spezia. I think that's right.
And it's a different port than last week, and they have a free shuttle to town.
So we're gonna hop the free shuttle. Come out of the cruise terminal from the bus, there's signs pointing to the city center. So we're just gonna wander. Right?
We'll just figure it out. But sometimes you don't want to spend all that money on an excursion and sitting on a bus. So we're just gonna see what you can do off port here.
It's really pretty. Little cafe.
Wow.
Yeah. Pretty little walk from the ship.
It's not bad. It's not a bad walk, and there's a pretty little walk. I'm not sure what's at the end of this, but let's just go and see.
All right.
It's just a straight. Look at that, huh?
Mentally, I was in the strongman competition in Puerto Rico, and we picked up these anchors and we put them over our
Yeah, not
head.
likely.
And then we had to drag them by this D-ring, right?
Yeah.
So you grab a hold of the D-ring.
Watch out, you're gonna fall in the water. That'd be so funny, though.
I know, wouldn't it? Picture of it
Yeah.
on my phone.
So we're here. Here we are. So we're just gonna keep going and maybe go upwards around here and see. Huh?
5 minutes. I wonder, because like it says 5 minutes, I wonder if it's a whole walk. The radius is 5 minutes from here.
I don't know. We walked longer than 5 minutes.
Well, we're doing it.
This looks cool.
Too, so.
19.
Okay.
Food marketplace.
Okay. And that's up. Okay.
So yeah, let's just go.
We'll wander and see if we can get there.
Horse.
I bet that's my statue.
That's your statue on the horse?
Yeah. Whenever I was here before.
You've never been here before.
I know.
Okay. I was like, last week it was a different port for this this area.
This one's different.
Look at that.
Look at that. They're shopping.
Look at that. Through the park. Not bad.
Yeah.
See what we can get into.
Yeah, let's do it.
How much money you got?
Oh.
$1?
No, I don't even have $1.
We can open a gelato store. I think that's what it means.
You want to
open a gelateria? Oh, he'd eat all the profits.
I couldn't. Oh man, I gained so much weight.
That's a cute little sardine plate.
That is. I like that color of blue. That turquoise.
That's really cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jim. Food, Jim.
I know, and not bad.
Seems a little sketchy. So you go.
No,
Sketchy.
no. Doesn't look like anything to open there. I think it's still a little too early for some place shopping.
The market.
Market. Oh, I smell salami.
There's salami over there. See the long line for the salami?
Fresh produce.
I found my heaven.
I know.
Oh my God, vegetables. Vegetables. Tomatoes.
I was looking at these fresh tomatoes.
Which ones?
All of them.
I like the, I don't know, for some reason the yellow ones always look good to me. You want some tomatoes? Would they be safe to eat? Just dirty?
Yeah, I believe so.
Dirty. You want to try those?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Do you have a bag?
Grazie.
Hey! You're gonna eat some dirty grapes from Italy.
From Italy.
You just live right here.
I know. What's a grape?
Our little grapes. Dirty.
Really good.
From Italy. That's great. You're gonna eat them all before I get a chance, huh?
No, I'm not hungry. I had to give Valerie the bag or else.
Eating them all.
They're really good. They're little pink grapes. Like they would make rosé out of. These dark blue grapes look really good. Or black Blanca.
The what?
The black grapes or the blue deep purple.
Can you give me a couple grapes? I always knew fruits or vegetables were gonna kill me.
Well, you're not dead yet.
I don't recommend unwashed then. When in Italy.
When in Italy, right? Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Neat. Do you want to get something?
I'm just looking at the cheese.
You like the
Admiring the cheese.
Admiring the cheese.
Salami.
You want salami? What kind of salami you want? I want pasta.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you get?
I got some salami from the dealer.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Authentico.
Authentico's right. That was interesting and fun.
Very loud and crazy.
Interesting. It's
I'd
like,
be there every day.
you can totally watch people just walking around, just watching people.
Yeah, and that was like real people. That wasn't cruise people.
I think we got a little lost.
Out on my little balcony. Every day at noon.
Start yelling.
Well, no. Every day, like 3 times a day, I'd come out on my balcony. And I'd be like, morning cup of coffee, wave to the people. Evening would be, of course, a glass of wine, and I'd wave to people.
Ching ching.
Ching ching. And then at lunch, I don't know what I do at lunch. I'll do something. And then at midnight, I'll just start yelling at people to go home. It's so late, go home. Me Mario.
Just watching the birds in the cafe till the sun comes over the top of the building. Okay, I might get a beer to drink. Would you like to try a beer with me?
No, I just want water or something.
Something what?
Something watery.
So I got a IPA, local brew, Green Dog Brewery, Crew, Pilsner.
Made in Canada. No, I'm just kidding.
Nope, not made in Canada. That was a close one. Valerie got the sparkling water.
Hydration.
Yep.
What's your plans to do with what you gonna do with your salami?
Wouldn't you like to know? Okay.
I saw you put it in your little
My little man
bag.
purse.
Yeah, your man purse.
I'm gonna try to sneak it onto the ship. But if they see my meat in the metal detector, then I might have to go off of the ship and
It's not metal. You said the metal detector.
Well, the X-ray.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, unless you're eating like metal.
I might put it in my pocket.
They might. No.
Then they frisk me and be like, huh? You got a salami in your pocket, or you just happy to see me?
The garbage truck is here. My pesto.
Yeah, with meat sauce. I hope you can hear me.
You can't. There's a garbage truck. I don't like it. It's really salty.
Too salty? Oh wow.
Now the garbage truck left. It's good.
Mine was good. Crazy like. This is the park in the afternoon. The sun's up there. And we're going to head back towards the ship.
Well, if you see something you need. Right?
Yep.
So we got to see a market.
We went to the market.
We aren't gonna smuggle salami. You smuggler.
I have
Sherry is the smuggler.
a salami in my
Okay.
man pouch.
It's just a little piece, people. Just a little piece.
A little piece.
Just a bite. If he gets caught, he's gonna sit and eat it outside the
I'll
port.
have to go off the ship and eat it by the buses, I guess, because that might be where the only shade is. So we had a pretty okay meal.
It was okay.
It was okay.
I could have made that at home. It's sad. The celebrity dinner we had from the chef at the end of that Sorrento meeting thing, the private dinner, that pasta was better. That pasta was like one of the best. So satisfying. I'm gonna dream of that pasta.
Yeah.
That's gonna be like pasta I dream of.
Good.
It was good.
Oh, no. The cafe.
Wanna go for round two?
Round 2. We'll get fishes.
Oh my gosh, look at them.
Bait fish. Look at them right here. They're bigger here.
I see the little ones and the big ones.
I know, right?
Jim was rude to me. I'm looking for a new nice man. Dirty jokes. Jim, welcome to your new home. Trying to talk Jim into going round 2 for food.
Where?
The oysters, baby.
Oh.
I just want to get some oysters.
Okay.
We're gonna go
They
get.
sell them by 3, so we
We could get a
6
dozen.
packs.
Get a dozen for each.
Get a dozen each.
Not each, to
Get
share.
a dozen to share. So
You- Six.
Six.
Yeah. You want to do that?
okay, on the way back after we do this little walk up the hill here.
Okay. This is a nice little port, though.
It is. I like.
There's a ship. Is that our ship?
That's our ship.
That's our ship.
The Symphony of the Sea.
Looks closer than it really is. Whew. Oh, this raises up.
Yeah, wait.
Mm.
Sailboat.
Huh. Doesn't look like there's much on the other side, so we're just gonna go around. Very cool.
It is. Good view from up here.
Think you can eat 6 oysters?
Probably could.
Okay, let's go.
6 oysters is not hard.
Cause you know what?
Can I have another beer?
I guess. But how, like, between the sketchy grapes, dirty from the market,
Right?
and some oysters, we'll never know what kills us tonight. No, it can kill you. Bad sea fish and salmonella
Well,
from, yeah.
When in Rome.
When in Rome. We're not in Rome. It's pretty, look at that.
Go to 6.
Yeah, we'll do 6, 1 each.
Okay.
And then a drink. Local.
Local Lisbonza, and then here is the Irish.
And there's no French.
No French.
Okay.
This is the one from
Local.
Local Lisbonza.
These look different than Gulf Coast ones.
I know, they look bigger, don't they? More fuller. Is there a difference in that in the Gulf?
I say I like this better, maybe.
Right? Because it's a lot
I
fuller.
the Ireland one. I like the local one better.
This one does have more green to it than the Irish one.
Yeah. I like that. It's better than the Gulf.
Better than the Irish, too.
Want more?
No, I think that's gonna do it for me.
I ordered more.
Yes, you did.
Jim didn't want more, but I did. They were good. When in Rome. So I got round 2 because it was really good. Jim didn't want any. He's all pastaed out.
Oh, Valerie, did we learn something today?
Yeah, that La Spezia. Just come off the port and go straight down the little walkway. And you're gonna have yourself the best oysters you've ever had.
Yeah.
It was really good.
Yes.
We got to see a farmer's market and like all the fruit. We had grapes and we had oysters and we had everything was so good. Lasagna and pesto. Now we're heading back to the ship. It's a nice little walk back. You see? Yeah.
That's nice.
The oysters were a bit expensive, but
This is the future.
Italian Jim
Yeah,
fishing. Oops, sorry, babe.
it's okay.
Operation Salami complete.